What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video from Twisted Boost Media. My name is Mark. So if y'all haven't checked out the channel before, what's going on? Hope y'all having a great day. So today we're probably going to be working on the shit box, which is our 2003 VW GTI VR6. As you can see, she's got a beautiful name since it's called the Shitbox VR6. And here it is. It is a awesome little car. I love it. It breaks down all the time. Every time I fix something, it does something else breaks. It's got fully adjustable Godspeed coilovers on it. Gonna rep the little sticker here. I like the way it's fading too in the sun. Again, we're Twisted Boost Media. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Like, share, subscribe. Get on there, share with your friends. Check us out. We also make some stickers for our brand and our page. So again, check us out on YouTube, because you're watching the video right now, maybe on Facebook. And we got some cool stuff. We do sell those, so go check them out. I'm gonna pin that video to the top of the Facebook page and probably make it the intro for now on the YouTube. That way y'all can check them out, you know, and get y'all some stickers, rep our stuff, so they stick pretty good. Alrighty, let's get started on the shit box today. We're probably gonna try to put a different radio in this thing, because I'm sick of having the same one that's in it. It's a VR6 NA. Obviously it's missing a bunch of shit. It's got some eBay wheels on it. Power stop brakes, baby. Those are pretty awesome. It is a 6-speed. Got a little Megan Racing shifter in it. So we're gonna let y'all in on some of the fun. Recently, oh man, for all y'all that did watch my other video, I'm sorry that I cut it off kind of short. We did end up getting the shifter in and the cables figured out, right? We had to use a half a spark plug boot, about that long, like 2-inch piece. And because that little kit that I got from O'Reilly's didn't really work all that well for the shifter cable bushings, but we did get that back together. So y'all see it. It's definitely been moving, because it's not in the garage anymore. That's the update for the folks who watched the other video. If you haven't watched that, guys, go check it out. I'm gonna pin it right there, whichever direction. YouTube is gonna let me do it, probably both, it doesn't matter. So we're gonna go fire this baby up, move it around this way, and we're gonna clean up some of the interior too, because I'm gonna start maybe carbon fiber wrapping some stuff. And then watch out, next day or so we're gonna probably have a Challenger video as well. As you know, we got the gold green clear coat shaker Challenger right there, RT 5.7 6-speed, baby. She's a fucking beast. Got an exhaust delete on that. Exhaust delete, yeah, that made sense. A full muffler delete. Everything is pretty much, it's a X pipe, straight pipe back from there, so it's pretty sweet and loud. So without further ado, we're gonna fire up the old shit box. Don't make fun of me, man. There's gonna be some lights popping up. Don't worry about that shit. You don't need traction control or ABS. Airbags, you don't need airbags in race cars because you can wear a helmet. She got some snap crackle pops. Oh, another issue I'm having lately, we'll let this baby warm up just a hair, is my radio doesn't turn off with the ignition, even though it's an issue for a lot of VW people. You know, we got that thing mounted nice and secure. We have this little adapter box that lets you have power from with the ignition on and off right here, but it has not been turning off. I don't think it's a problem with the box. I think it's a problem with the ignition relay, maybe. But we might be taking all this out and attaching a new radio to this thing, because you know what, the Corvette, let's face it, the Corvette's gonna be done, but it'll take a while. So let's go ahead and move this baby. Dang, the reverse is hard on this little short throw shifter. ruts. Not trying, don't want to spin out in the grass. We'll plop this baby right here. And I went right for the foot parking brake, which we did. We fixed that too. Alright, sorry about that, guys. If I do that too much, man, I'll piss off the neighbors, and we just ain't gonna deal with all that bullshit. Alright, so we're gonna probably try to clean up some of this interior stuff. Probably won't include Jillian on that, because who wants to watch me clean my fucking car? This is dumb. Oops, there goes my dryer. So we got this little... I told y'all we make stickers, right? So go check out the sticker video too, so y'all know what y'all are looking for. But I buy this vinyl wrap from Vivid, made in Canada. We're gonna see if this works. This is the XPO series, commercial graphics. This is basically vinyl wrap for cars. And we got some little panels here. We're gonna try to, there we go. So we got the under dash for the VW right here. It's all nasty, sticky. We're gonna try to clean this up the best we can, because it's hard to get the stickiness off. So we're just gonna throw some carbon fiber wrap over it. We're gonna see what that's gonna do. We got a heat gun, so if we need to, man, we'll put some fire into that ass and freaking get her going. So, you know what? I'm gonna clean the car in a little while. We're gonna try to get some of this carbon fiber wrap on something. Let's try a nice straight piece first. And we're gonna, oh, look at that. I forgot this was off too. Damn, man. Everything's sticky and freaking nasty, man. So, I mean, I'm telling you, we're not gonna clean this shit very much. See? Dang, bro. It's just nasty, man. Really, in the end, I just need this all to be the same texture, kind of. And the worst that happens is this wrap doesn't stick to it. And then we have to figure out something else, man. I don't know why it does this after a long time, but this is the only bad part of the car, really. So, this is the fuse panel cover for the outside of the corner down there where the fuse panel goes, and here's the actual cover for it. We're gonna carbon fiber wrap this bitch and see what happens. We're gonna take these gloves off because we no longer really have to touch this thing a whole fucking lot. I guess we'll try to do this little section first. Again, we're not cleaning anything really up. We're just getting off of kind of the craziness here. But you can see, like, it just sticks. That's awful, man. I don't care how to get it off because, heck, why does it even really matter? We'll mark us out a little spot here. Woo! Yeah, there we go. Carbon fiber, baby! Let's see what happens when we try to stick it. Ooh, that actually is not too bad yet. Yeah, that's not gonna really matter. So I'm just gonna leave it kind of curled a little bit. And we'll get rid of that little notch right there. Do-do. Damn, see, and even my fingers are black from just messing with this damn piece. Oh, another bubble. Poke a hole in that bad boy. A little divot. And it looks pretty good so far. Alrighty, so thanks for watching that video. And we will see you in the next one, which is going to be more shitbox stuff. I know I talked about the radio in this one, but that was pretty good, like a 10-15 minute video. So I think we're going to do that one separately from the radio part. But y'all stay tuned. Check out the radio one coming this week as well. See you in the next one.